Hello. Moving forward with a little bit more information when it comes to our frequently asked questions about our process, not just topics about the law. So a lot of people will ask me, how long does this process take? How long does estate planning take? And the typical process is going to take about 6 to 8 weeks start to finish. We can definitely expedite that if there is something that you want done, whether it's you're going to get ready to travel, you're about to have a baby, or you just had a baby. But we encourage you to start the process sooner rather than later. You'll get to learn about what to think about when it comes to estate planning. Start looking at these videos. You'll learn a little bit of information. Maybe come to one of our events, and that'll give you a chance to hear a little bit more. But you're going to come in for your first appointment, and that is our planning session, life and legacy session, family wealth planning session. But basically, it's a 2-hour meeting where you'll meet with me. You'll ask questions. We'll ask questions, and then you're going to get to decide yes, no, not yet, or what you want to do. Now, most people, if they're coming this far, they're going to say yes. They want to move forward. They want to get their plan done. They want to get peace of mind that their family's protected. And we're going to figure out exactly what the fee is at that meeting. And you would pay half at that time. You'd come in about a month later for your signing. You'll sign all of your legal documents that we've prepared. Your estate plan is fully in place at that time. Normally you would pay the balance at the signing. And then you're going to come into your third meeting. We call that our legacy meeting. And you're going to focus on your insights, your values, your stories, your experiences. We're going to make a recording that we're going to put in your USB drive, okay? We're going to talk to you about writing letters that you may want to write to family members and so forth, if that's what you want to do. We're going to go over the importance of adding things to the USB drive that I give you, whether it's pictures, whether it's your own legacy interviews. We'll talk about that, and then you'll get your box. We do not use binders at ralstonlaw.com, Ralston Law Estate Planning, excuse me. I don't use binders or pretty paper that's folded into a pretty envelope. I put everything into a fire-resistant, waterproof box. I tell you to put your other documents in there as well. I want you to put everything that's important in there. It is fire resistant up to 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Your USB drive is in there, your passport's in there, your titles, your deeds, everything like that is in this one box. And you just take that box with you if something happens, okay? I always worry that if it's in a binder or something like that and there's a fire, it could catch fire. At least this makes me feel like you're a little bit more protected. So that's the whole process, start to finish. Again, we can expedite it if it needs to be done faster than the 6 to 8 weeks, but normally that's the standard time. And I look forward to meeting you. We try and have a good time, even though the subject matter is intense and raw sometimes, thinking about who you're going to leave things to and what would happen to family members if something were to happen to you or them. But we'll get into all of that. So if you have any questions, reach out to me at ralstonlawestateplanning.com, and I wish you the best of luck.